start off, you should grab a warm towel and just apply it to your face to open up the pores, and then you can clean your face with either a makeup wipe or an alcohol wipe to remove any makeup or germs or any oils. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Easy Blade Shave Oil. Looks like that. I'm just gonna apply it all over the face. And it is kind of sticky, so I'm just gonna clean my hands with the wipe. And then I'm also gonna go in with the Easy Blade shaving gel, and just adding that on top of the shaving oil. This shaving gel, it doesn't foam up, so that's what I kind of like. It also comes with the shaving cream, if you decide to use that instead of the gel. And it just looks like this. And the cream, it goes into the skin, so I kind of like that as well. So either way, you won't get that foamy look all over your face, which I don't really like. Okay, and I'm going to just go in with the Easy Blade straight razor, and on the razor I kind of have it sticking, the blade sticking out a little bit more so I can see what I'm doing. You can see that. And you just kind of want to pull the skin tight, and you don't want to go in a 90-degree angle. You kind of want to go at like a 45, and you want to go kind of in small strokes so you don't end up cutting yourself. And I'm just gonna wipe off the hairs onto a wipe, and I like to shave my face and take off all the fuzz because it helps with my foundation to apply it more smoothly and flawlessly. And for a woman, you don't want to make like a sharp edge up, you know, like for a man at a barber shop. So you kind of want to leave a little bit of your hair if you want to. That's what I prefer. And on the mustache area, since it's already kind of tight, you want to be careful not to create small cuts. And as you can see, all the fuzz is off. I'm just leaving it like this by my sideburn, so I don't have a harsh line. As you can see, the skin is already very smooth and soft looking. And to remove any of the excess shaving gel and shaving oil, I'm just gonna go in with the makeup wipe and just remove it, because it does kind of leave the face leaving kind of sticky and tacky. Okay, now I'm just gonna go with the Easy Blade aftershave tonic spray. Okay, now I'm just gonna go with the Easy Blade aftershave lotion. It looks just like that. And it smells so good. It smells like men's cologne. It's not that strong, but it smells great. It leaves your skin feeling super soft. And to close the pores after we're done, you just want to run the same towel under cold water and just apply it to your face for like a minute so it can set in and close the pores, so no debris or excess oil or germs from after shaving your face can go into your pores and cause any razor bumps or go into any of the cuts. Okay, and that's it. That's how I shave my face to get a smoother appearance, to help apply my makeup onto it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you'd like to see any other videos, comment down below and let me know.